This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a bed liner, a security system, stability control, a second-row folding seat, and alloy wheels. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.